Automation in general and AIMS in particular enables a whole lot of interesting things that I think apply to the 3C market. AIMS falls into the broader vision of smart manufacturing by providing a sort of middleware layer between your more enterprise software solutions that are coordinating your manufacturing operations and then the actual equipment that's executing those, and provides multiple different ways to provide that tighter integration down to connected equipment, whether that's through AIMS Connect and manual material transfer, or it's through AIMS Automate with the fully autonomous manufacturing solution. It's basically the glue that links existing factory data and enterprise systems to the actual individual connected machines performing the manufacturing operations.
Software plays a crucial part because we need seamless integration of the software into the process. Two main software which is used for data collection and analytics are one is Redax, Remote Data Analytics. The server is built into the machine, and we have a client which collects and consolidates all the data from the machine. The production process is also monitored, so at the end of the day you can compare the production between machines. We also have the MNS, which is the maintenance notification software. So this is mainly for preventive and predictive maintenance. So this takes the operator on what sort of maintenance is required on the machine, what has to be preventive maintenance, and where it needs to be done, what time, etc. So there is a few of these things to make sure that your machine is not down for maintenance, etc., but you can do planned maintenance. So there are several of these options, to collect data, monitor, and maintain the production process.
With AIMS, you do get increased uptime on your equipment, and you're able to react to real-time data faster. So you're able to make sure that when something does happen, you're able to react to that sooner, which reduces downtime, as well as taking operations that used to be done on the machine causing downtime, like actually programming the schedules for different jobs and where the individual pallets needed to go from your load and unload pallet. That's all done offline. So now the machines are basically in production for a longer period of time. We obviously are using a lot of data to help guide the decisions that the system makes. One of the ways I like to think about AIMS Connect is it's like turn-by-turn GPS directions. Turn-by-turn GPS solutions will notify you when there's traffic or there's been an accident and potentially reroute you to get you to where you're going more effectively. And we sort of do the exact same thing with AIMS Connect, where we're giving people instructions about what they need to do based on real-time information, that there's a tool that needs to get picked up, that there's a machine that's down that needs attention, and that allows them to operate more effectively through the notifications and work instructions that are surfaced to them, because they're getting again, that real-time information directly from the factory floor straight to a mobile device. We have increased traceability of the different entities that you're using. So you get traceability amongst pallets, tools on the pallets, increased quality, again, with reducing the need for skilled operators to achieve that quality using AutoComp, which really does help keep complex tool geometries and tolerance, again, without requiring high skilled manual labor, which is how that's typically done. You get increased data to make more effective decisions in real time by being able to trace all those entities throughout your factory. But you also get more flexibility and more ability to do small lot sizes, a lot of dynamic manufacturing, and then reduce your reliance on, I guess, skilled operators, which is continuously a struggle in various markets. I mean, we have customers that really love AIMS because, again, it enables them to increase the uptime and utilization of their machines, particularly where they're able to keep the machines running large batches overnight, and runs of 66 to 80 hours have been achieved, where we've got that active compensation from AutoComp, keeping all the key geometries and tolerance, but you then have this cell of equipment that's just operating and not requiring anyone there to oversee the production. We obviously have come a long way in the past 5 years on our journey with AIMS, and we're obviously planning to continue that evolution. We're introducing more and more features to allow better control, better data-driven decisions, expanding capability by introducing support for third-party equipment. Anka obviously has a long history of delivering custom solutions, and AIMS is no different. If certain functions that a customer really needs within AIMS aren't supported as part of the standard product, by all means, we have a team dedicated and ready to customize our solutions for unique client needs.
Automation is not a cost, it's a competitive advantage. Not all the manufacturers have this full capabilities like what Anka has. So the Ultra series of machines, the competitive software, the scalable solutions, the automation, lights out manufacturing, monitoring of machines 24/7, improving productivity. So we have the entire package to get you started and keep you going. And the experience what we can bring to the market will help you to develop your products as well.